And this is going to be a really neat presentation that will learn about safety, a go-to plan, situational awareness.
It wasn't the Pava powder ball, wasn't the gel, wasn't the configuration of the engine. What really stuck out to me was this is not your standard trigger finger. You place two fingers on that trigger mechanism. So I have the opportunity to deal with Henry at arm's length. I don't have to worry about shooting myself in the hand. Okay, as I push off Henry, Henry's having a bad day. Okay, ready on the left, ready on the right, shooters ready. Go ahead, raise your heroes, point them at the target.